Hey everybody, Doodle here with a tutorial on 4-pedal anti-spins. In this tutorial, we will be going over the diamond hand path. For step 1, let's start with our fan straight down and palm out, keeping a loose grip on the fan and allowing it to sway back and forth, like so. Now, keeping our arm bent and using the natural momentum of the fan, we are going to swing upward and out to our native side. Now, following the same hand path, go ahead and release the fan back by giving the fan a small toss or flick upwards to start the rotation. This will be the tricky part of the anti-spin, so go ahead and practice just this motion back and forth until you feel more comfortable. For step 2, we are simply going to release the fan and allow its natural momentum to lift it upwards. Move your hand with the fan and catch it in the upward position with your palm out. To go back, simply release the fan toward your thumb side and move your hand along the same hand path we just did. For step 3, we're going to be releasing the fan towards our pinky side, bringing it across our body till our arm is fully extended. Notice we let the fan's natural momentum carry it across our body. To go back, we're simply going to be releasing our fan and lifting our hand in the same hand path. The fan's natural momentum will help carry it up. Again, leaning toward your pinky side, simply release the fan and extend your arm across your body. For our fourth and final step, we are simply going to rotate our wrist and statically bring our fan back into our starting position. Here it is again. Pretty simple, right? Again, practice going back by rotating your wrist along the same hand path we just did. Now let's put them all together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remembering our diamond hand path, let's practice going in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't forget to practice these 4 simple steps with your other hand. Remember to keep a loose grip in your starting position. And of course, the other direction. Once you feel comfortable with both fans, feel free to put them together and explore different timings and directions using our diamond hand path. I hope this tutorial helped. Feel free to check out the rest of my videos for more tutorials and fun fan ideas.